found the ultimate winter fragrance. Like I have found from like fall to winter, when you're like just transcending through the process, it's gonna smell so freaking good. It is very moisturizing. I'm wearing it right now. It is super long lasting, easily 8 to 10 hours. The projection is gonna be there. These two products together are literally magic in a bottle, and I am not even exaggerating. Trust me, it smells so good. I saw this creator like sniff that body butter and I was like, I need that. And then I was like, I think it's gonna smell good with something else I have in my mind. And when I paired these two guys, this was literally like soulmates, match made in heaven, literally came together. If I'm going on a first date, this is probably what I'd be wearing. If I'm going on a girls' night, this is what I want to smell like. Any special occasion, I want to smell like this. Actually, every day I want to smell like this because it's that good. So, an ultimate backstory, I saw this creator over here and her reaction just made me immediately do add to cart because the way she smelled it, I was like, I am sold. So, this is Fenty Beauty's body butter. It smells like melted caramel cookie dough. It's just so freaking sweet. So that's why I told you that this is gonna be so amazing during winters. I haven't applied anything right now, so I'll take it from here. It is actually very glowy also, and I'm not doing it correctly. Just like, give me 1 second. This is the body butter on its own. It is so freaking glowing. It is very moisturizing. So this is like our base, and on this, the moment I saw this, I just thought that this will pair really good with it. But I had no idea how fucking good it smells. And trust me, I have got so much of compliment on the fragrance I was wearing. So just blindly add to cart this because trust me, it's gonna smell delectable. So once you're done with the body butter, let it sit for like some time and then take this. This is Rare Beauty's recent launched perfume. And I will tell you why this smells so delectable, because this is a very sweet scent, right? And this one has a little spiciness of sandalwood which makes it smell so incredible. Like it gives a little spicier edge to it. You know, like you know that girl, you want to talk to her but you feel like she's unapproachable. This is what you're gonna smell like. Just, I really wish you could like smell me through the camera. This is the combination which is gonna literally kill. Like I will really kill for this combination. If I smell something like this on a girl, I will be knowing she knows what she's doing. Like it is that beautiful, trust me. I think these people should collab because this two together is literally like a dream come true for a vanilla girl. If you want more such combinations, please hit that subscribe button. It will mean a lot to me. If you want me to create this on a budget, please comment down below. I would love to do that for you. Okay, bye.